Imagine waking up every morning with joint stiffness that feels like rust in an old hinge, or looking in the mirror and feeling like your skin is aging far faster than you are, despite doing everything right. For millions of older adults, this is a daily, deeply frustrating reality that often feels entirely inevitable. We are frequently told that losing our mobility, struggling to bend down in the garden, or watching our skin lose its firmness are simply tax payments we must make to Father Time. But what if the primary reason your joints feel stiff and your skin feels increasingly frail isn't just your age, but a subtle, silent breakdown of the very glue holding your entire physical body together? That vital glue is collagen. It serves as the primary structural framework of your entire physical body, acting as the foundation of your house, the sturdy steel frame of your car, and the cushioned springs in your mattress all at once. By the time we celebrate our 60th birthday, our natural collagen production has dropped by more than half compared to our 20s. The good news, however, is that you do not need expensive cosmetic procedures, complex medical prescriptions, or costly designer supplements to rebuild this vital protein. Nature has provided us with a powerful pantry of everyday foods that act like a skilled repair crew, giving your body the exact raw materials it needs to restore elasticity to your skin, deeply lubricate your joints, and keep you moving smoothly and independently. To understand why these everyday foods are so crucial, let us look under the hood of human biology. Think of collagen as a thick, remarkably strong rope woven together from millions of tiny individual threads. These threads are made of essential amino acids, primarily glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. When we are young, our body builds this rope effortlessly, keeping our skin plump and smooth, our blood vessels flexible, and our joint cartilage thick, springy, and resilient like a brand new rubber bumper. But as the years pass, the cellular factories responsible for manufacturing fresh collagen, known as fibroblasts, naturally begin to slow down their output. At the same time, environmental factors, everyday physical wear and tear, and natural metabolic processes act like tiny, relentless pairs of scissors, constantly cutting away at those protective structural ropes. When collagen breaks down faster than your body can rebuild it, the noticeable effects show up in very familiar and frustrating ways. You might notice that walking down the stairs after waking up feels a bit more treacherous, or that playing a round of golf or taking a stroll leaves your knees aching for days. You might see your skin becoming progressively thinner, drier, and more fragile, bruising easily when you accidentally bump into the kitchen counter. Many people rush to buy expensive collagen powders, synthetic pills, or fancy surface creams, but your digestive system actually prefers to get its essential structural building blocks through real, whole food. When you eat the right combination of nutrient-dense foods, your body breaks them down efficiently into essential building blocks and routes them straight to where they are needed most, whether that is smoothing out skin cells or cushioning the worn cartilage in your hips, knees, and shoulders. Let us start with the first, and perhaps most legendary, collagen booster in our kitchen arsenal, real bone broth. For generations, traditional grandmothers across the country kept a pot of rich bone broth simmering on the stove, and modern nutritional science firmly confirms they were onto something truly profound. When you slow-cook chicken, beef, or fish bones over many long hours, the dense collagen trapped inside the hard bone matrix and connective tissue breaks down into an easily digestible form called gelatin. Gelatin is essentially cooked, bioavailable collagen, packed to the brim with amino acids like glycine and proline. Drinking a warm cup of savory bone broth in the morning is like pouring high-grade biological lubricant directly into the moving parts of a stiff engine. It provides the exact amino acid profile your joints crave to repair worn cartilage, helping you move with far greater ease whether you are lifting a growing grandchild or working in the backyard garden. While bone broth gives your body the direct structural materials, our second food provides the indispensable catalyst required to assemble those materials into strong, enduring fibers, bell peppers, especially the bright red ones. Many people associate skin and joint health strictly with dietary protein, but your body cannot create or stabilize a single strand of collagen without adequate vitamin C. Think of amino acids as loose structural bricks and vitamin C as the heavy-duty mortar that binds them together into a solid, impenetrable wall. Red bell peppers are absolute powerhouses of natural vitamin C, containing significantly more per serving than fresh oranges. Adding sliced crisp red bell peppers to a lunch salad or dipping them into creamy hummus provides a rich, continuous supply of this crucial nutrient, protecting your existing collagen from destructive oxidative stress while fueling the rapid production of fresh, resilient new fibers. As we look deeper into how collagen functions throughout the human body, we discover a crucial third player that often gets overlooked in typical dietary advice: wild-caught fish, particularly fish with the skin left on, such as wild salmon. Fish collagen is exceptionally rich in what scientists classify as type 1 collagen, which is the specific variety that makes up 80% of human skin tissue and a massive portion of our flexible tendons and ligaments. The peptides found in fish collagen possess a much smaller molecular size, meaning your digestive tract absorbs and utilizes them with remarkable efficiency compared to other animal sources. Furthermore, wild salmon is loaded with potent omega-3 fatty acids. If collagen represents the structural wood framing of your home, omega-3s act as the protective weatherproof seal that keeps vital moisture trapped inside while preventing chronic inflammation from rotting the structure from within. Enjoying a delicious piece of pan-seared salmon with crisp skin twice a week keeps skin cells hydrated, plump, and glowing while soothing inflamed, aching joints. Now, as we move through these remarkable foods, you might be wondering how plant-based vegetarian sources fit into the larger picture, especially if you prefer to limit heavy meats in your diet. This brings us directly to our fourth collagen-supporting superstar: dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, collards, and Swiss chard. Leafy greens contain remarkably high amounts of chlorophyll, the natural photosynthetic pigment that gives plants their vibrant green color. Extensive clinical research shows that consuming chlorophyll increases the precursor to collagen production in human skin tissue. Additionally, dark leafy greens are packed with essential trace minerals like zinc and copper, 2 micronutrients that act like specialized power tools for your cells, joining loose amino acids together to build tough, highly elastic tissues. Adding a generous handful of fresh spinach to a morning omelet or tossing chopped kale into a warm vegetable soup is an effortless daily habit to keep your tissue repair crew fully supplied with the exact tools they need. Our fifth essential food is a delicious, everyday favorite that doubles as a powerful antioxidant defender of existing collagen: dark berries, including blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. It is not enough to simply manufacture brand new collagen. We must also actively defend the precious collagen we already have from premature destruction. Every single day, exposure to ultraviolet sunlight, normal metabolic waste, and ubiquitous environmental stress generate reactive free radicals in our bloodstream. These free radicals act like rusty iron nails tossing around inside a delicate piece of machinery, scratching, degrading, and tearing at your complex collagen matrix. Berries are densely packed with potent antioxidants known as anthocyanins, which rapidly neutralize these damaging free radicals before they can break down your joint cartilage or degrade your skin's underlying firmness. Eating a bowl of fresh berries alongside breakfast creates an invisible protective shield, allowing your body's natural renewal processes to work continuously without constant environmental interference. This leads us directly to a fascinating, non-obvious aspect of joint and skin health that most people never fully consider. Collagen doesn't exist in an isolated vacuum. It relies heavily on surrounding cellular tissues to stay hydrated, soft, and flexible. This brings us directly to our sixth essential food: rich, creamy avocados. Avocados do not contain actual collagen directly, but they are incredibly rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and natural vitamin E. Vitamin E acts as a vital co-pilot to vitamin C, protecting the delicate lipid membranes of your skin and joint tissues from drying out and becoming brittle over time. When your cells are thoroughly lubricated with healthy dietary fats, strong collagen fibers can slide past one another smoothly without snapping or creating painful friction. An avocado shared at breakfast or sliced over a wholesome dinner provides the essential internal lubrication that keeps your skin feeling supple and your knees gliding effortlessly when you walk down the driveway to grab the morning mail. Our seventh food choice is one of the most accessible, high-value protein sources available in virtually any local grocery store: eggs, specifically whole eggs. While many people spent years mistakenly avoiding egg yolks due to outdated dietary advice, modern nutritional science clearly shows that whole eggs are an absolute goldmine for healthy aging and physical longevity. The egg white is composed of almost pure protein, offering a rich, concentrated blend of proline and lysine, the essential, non-negotiable building blocks for human collagen synthesis. Meanwhile, the delicate, papery membrane lining the inside of the eggshell is naturally packed with pure collagen, glucosamine, hyaluronic acid, and chondroitin sulfate. Next time you boil an egg for a quick meal, pay close attention to that thin, clear film inside the shell. Consuming whole eggs regularly supplies your body with the exact structural components needed to maintain springy tendon health, strong ligaments, and firm, youthful skin texture. As we reach our 8th food, we enter the important realm of essential trace minerals with a humble, crunch-filled kitchen staple, raw pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds stand out as one of the absolute richest plant-based sources of zinc available in the human diet. Zinc is a required cofactor for the enzymatic process of collagen synthesis, meaning the complex chemical reaction that builds brand new biological tissue simply grinds to a complete halt without it present. Furthermore, adequate zinc intake noticeably slows down the rate at which existing collagen naturally breaks down as we age. A small handful of raw or roasted pumpkin seeds sprinkled over whole milk yogurt, tossed into a fresh salad, or eaten as a simple afternoon snack gives your body the microscopic chemical balance needed to keep its tissue repair factories running at peak performance, keeping your fingernails strong, your hair thick, and your structural joints stable. Our 9th food takes us into the rich world of savory kitchen flavor and robust internal biological protection: fresh garlic. Garlic is exceptionally rich in organic sulfur, a vital trace mineral that is absolutely essential for both the synthesis of collagen and the prevention of its premature breakdown. Sulfur acts much like the strong steel rivets holding heavy leather straps together, forming crucial crosslinks that give delicate collagen fibers their extraordinary tensile strength and durability. Without adequate dietary sulfur, human collagen tissue becomes weak, brittle, and highly prone to tearing under routine physical pressure. Incorporating freshly crushed or chopped garlic into your daily savory cooking not only enhances the flavor of your favorite meals but also actively reinforces the structural integrity of your blood vessels, deep skin layers, and smooth joint linings. Before we reveal our 10th and most surprisingly crucial food, it is important to take a moment to reflect on how all these individual dietary pieces fit into your daily life. Taking care of your physical health after 60 should never feel like a restrictive punishment, a confusing medical routine, or an overwhelming chore. It is fundamentally about honoring your physical body, preserving your personal freedom to travel comfortably, enjoying active afternoons playing with your children and grandchildren, and avoiding unnecessary medical visits, painful surgeries, and soaring prescription costs. When you intentionally fuel your body with real, living, nutrient-dense foods, you are making a direct, powerful investment in your long-term personal independence and quality of life. Now, we arrive at our 10th, final, and perhaps most non-obvious collagen-supporting food: whole citrus fruits and their peels, particularly fresh oranges, lemons, grapefruit, and limes. Most people simply squeeze the juice from a lemon or peel an orange and immediately throw the rest of the fruit into the trash, accidentally missing out on the most biologically potent parts of the plant. The white, spongy inner rind of citrus fruits, known scientifically as the albedo, along with the fragrant outer zest, is densely packed with powerful bioflavonoids such as hesperidin, naringin, and rutin. These natural plant compounds work in perfect biological synergy with vitamin C, dramatically extending its lifespan inside your bloodstream and preventing the specific destructive enzymes that break down collagen from running wild. Zesting an organic lemon over roasted vegetables, adding thin slices of fresh lime to your daily water pitcher, or simply eating the soft white pith of an orange provides a powerful biological boost that keeps your internal collagen-building machinery running efficiently for hours longer than standard synthetic vitamin supplements ever could achieve on their own. By thoughtfully combining these 10 extraordinary foods-rich bone broths, vibrant red bell peppers, omega-dense wild salmon, deep leafy greens, protective dark berries, nourishing avocados, whole eggs, mineral-rich pumpkin seeds, savory garlic, and bioflavonoid-packed citrus fruits, you create an virtually unbeatable internal environment for active longevity, physical resilience, and graceful aging. You don't need to completely overhaul your entire lifestyle overnight or follow an impossibly strict diet. Simply picking 2 or 3 of these accessible, real food solutions to incorporate into your regular weekly grocery run can yield remarkable, visible differences in how your joints feel and how your skin looks over time. Physical aging is an unavoidable natural journey, but moving through the years with true physical strength, enduring vitality, radiant skin, and smooth, painless mobility is entirely within your daily control. If you found these practical nutritional insights helpful and inspiring, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected with us. There are many more valuable health tips, inspiring stories, and practical wellness ideas coming your way soon.